Our background is Sunnydale School. A lot of people ask me that. But okay. All right, so I'll share screen. Are you guys seeing my whole screen or? Okay, you're just seeing this one. Okay. I hope দেখা যাচ্ছে. All right, so this is the same Python IDE, Spider IDE, যেখানে we did the Python class yesterday. You guys don't have to pull up Python and try to do anything. I just wanted to show how to code up a fun rock, paper, scissors game. Is there anyone who doesn't know how rock, paper, scissors is played? Anyone? All right, everyone knows how to play rock, paper, scissors then. Okay, so I will go ahead and get started. So this is going to be a single player game. যেখানে the computer is gonna play against you. And it's not a rocket science, it's not very difficult. So the computer plays against you, এবং you just count like how many times you're winning, right? So to do that, first of all, আমরা কয়েকটা variable define করব. All right, so variables can be anything. It is just to keep track of কি হচ্ছে. So we can say that যদি tie হয়, tie, maybe the value of a tie is 0. The value if a human wins is ধরে নিলাম 1. The value if computer wins, ধরে নিলাম 2. These are different winning situations, right? এবারে let's define another set of variables যেটা will keep track of what is rock, what is paper, what is scissor, right? So similarly, let's say rock হলো গিয়ে 1. Also, আমি কেন semicolon দিচ্ছি? Because I have been coding in MATLAB for a while. Rock, paper হলো গিয়ে 2, scissor হলো গিয়ে 3. So we have these variables defined. এটা হচ্ছে just to keep track of these things as numbers, okay? That's easier for the computer to remember. You can also remember them by strings, but why? You know, you can just assign a number to rock and computer will know this is rock. All right, so আমরা যেটা করব এখানে we will have a variable called winner. Winner হচ্ছে who wins, right? So by default আমরা যেটা করব we will define winner as human wins or 1, okay? এটা by default থাকবে, যদি computer জেতে we will update winner to computer wins and then it will display that message, okay? All right. So human wins a default set করা থাকবে. Once you play it once, if you win, it stays the same. If the computer wins, it changes winner to computer wins. That's what we're going for, okay? All right, great. তারপরে প্রথমে what we want to do is when you start the game, obviously you are going to print something. So we're gonna say print welcome to our rock, paper, scissors game. So এটা print করলো, এটা console print করবে আর কি, right? এবারে you have to define what the player move is. Let me do that. Okay. So এবারে you have to define যে player moveটা কি, player কি মুভ করবে, রাইট? এবং কম্পিউটার কি মুভ করবে। সো প্লেয়ার যেটা মুভ করবে ওটা ম্যানুয়ালি প্লেয়ার এন্টার করবে, আর কম্পিউটার যেটা করবে ওটা আমি বলবো কিভাবে করা হবে। অলরাইট, সো প্লেয়ার যে মুভ করবে সেটা বেসিক্যালি একটা ইনপুট কালেক্ট করা হবে, রাইট? সো সে উই রাইট প্লেয়ার মুভ, অলরাইট, একটা ভেরিয়েবল। প্লেয়ার মুভটা হচ্ছে all right, player move is a variable. এখানে we're going to do an input. Input কিভাবে আমরা নেব? Input নিব হচ্ছে আমরা বলবো যে you can pick rock, paper, scissor, any of these, and you can use the keys 1, 2 or 3 to pick them. তারপরে ইনপুটটা যেটা ইউজার দিবে, ইউজার ধরলো 1, you need to know এই ইনপুটটা কি টাইপ হবে. You want it as integer because এগুলো সব integer হিসেবে সেভ করা, rock paper scissor, right? So you want this as integer, not as a string, not as a float, none of that. So you're just defining it. Take the input from the player and int it. All right, so now it's integer. Now whatever player move, the variable should be integer. এবারে যেটা করব আমরা সেটা হচ্ছে we'll define the computer move. Computer move হচ্ছে এখন here's the thing, computer move আমরা it depends on computer কিভাবে খেলবে. Computer could always pick rock no matter what. It could happen like that. Computer could always pick randomly. Computer could do a bunch of things. Computer কিভাবে খেলে, it's a matter of how you code it, right? এখন তোমার রক পেপার সিজার গেমে আমরা যখন খেলি সাধারণত আমরা এত শত অ্যালগরিদম অ্যাপ্লাই করে খেলি না. We actually just pick randomly, so we can maybe make the computer pick randomly. তবে এমনও করতে পারো তুমি যে maybe computer move is somehow dependent on what the player has played in the past. That would be a little more difficult to code. ওটার মধ্যে আমরা না যাই, let's just show যে randomly খেললে computer কিভাবে খেলবে. All right, if computer were to pick anything randomly, first of all, you have to import this library random. এটা উপরে লিখতে হয়. So if you import random, it can access some functions that's related to random. All right. So then যেটা কম্পিউটার করবে সেটা হচ্ছে it's gonna was it randint that did 113? Do you remember?
Right. এই পাশে কনসোলে ট্রাই করুন.
Okay, I think it was a function called randint. Nope.
Random dot random.
Oh, random dot randint. So random dot randint করলে যেটা হয় সেটা হচ্ছে it's gonna দেখো এবারেও বলেছে 2 মানে basically you say that the starting number, the ending number এবং এর মাঝখানে সবকটা integer number ও randomly pick করে. So আমরা আবার যদি দেই, আবার 2 বলেছে, ওকে, আবার যদি দেই সব সময় 2 বলছে, ওকে, এবারে 3 বলছে. So this is random, 2 2 2 3, কোন একবার হয়তো 1 হবে. So you get the idea, right? So basically random dot randint basically এটা এই random library under একটা function randint যেটা নেয় দুইটা argument, what is the starting integer, ending integer, মাঝখানের সবগুলো ও randomly spit out করে. Alright, so এটা করলে কি হবে, it's gonna randomly spit out 1 2 or 3 যেটা আমাদের rock paper scissor value, right? Okay, so now it's time for some logic statements. Alright, if এখানে so our winner is always human, right? So we don't need to specify যে কি কি করলে human জিতবে. Human already জিতে আছে করে, right? So if we can just pinpoint computer কি করলে জিতবে এবং then update the winner variable, then যদি ওগুলো true হয় তাহলে computer জিতবে আর নতুবা human জিতবে. So what we're going to do is we're going to say that if computer move equal to rock, okay, তাহলে we'll say যে computer choice equal to rock. এটা হচ্ছে just display করার জন্য, এই rockটা আবার string, ঠিক আছে? because we just want to display computer key pick করলো আচ্ছা if computer move equal to paper then computer choice equal to paper. Scissor paper হবে ওকে সো এখন আমরা বললাম যে যদি কম্পিউটার মুভ এটা হয় তাহলে কম্পিউটার চয়েস এই স্ট্রিংটা কল সিজার যাতে আমরা সুন্দর করে প্রিন্ট করতে পারি সো কম্পিউটার যাই হোক প্রিন্ট করার পরে we can print whatever the computer has picked so we can print computer has picked আমরা string addition শিখেছিলাম so plus computer choice তাহলে কি হবে এখানে একটা স্পেস দেই ওকে so এটার মানে কি it's gonna add all these strings together computer has picked in a space এটার সঙ্গেও add করবে whatever this string is তারপরে it will add this exclamation mark it will be one string so আমরা string addition দেখেছিলাম আগের ক্লাসে so this is what it will do fine so it will tell you খুব সুন্দর করে যে okay welcome please input this তারপর computer will pick something and you will pick something then computer picks something and computer says that computer has picked this okay so এইবারে আমাদের হচ্ছে আসল লজিকটা so if player move equal to rock okay if the player picks rock and the computer picks paper কি হবে who's gonna win all right so winner will be computer right so এখানে we have defined computer wins so আমরা basically এটাই এখানে assign করব we are updating the variable winner আগে winner ছিল human wins now we are just updating it to computer wins okay great এরকম আরো দুইটা সিনারিও আছে যেখানে the computer will win and we just need to update that and say that otherwise বাকি সব সময় the player will win okay so if player move equals to আরেকটা কি যদি player যদি paper pick করে computer যদি scissors pick করে scissor তাহলে same thing আরেকটা সিচুয়েশন আছে সেটা হচ্ছে প্লেয়ার যদি সিজার পিক করে এবং কম্পিউটার যদি রক পিক করে রাইট so then the winner is going to be again computer wins right great so then you basically just print who the winner is so if winner equals to human wins যদি so human wins কখন হবে যদি এগুলোর মধ্যে কোনোটাই সত্যি না হয় winner will not get updated so winner will automatically be human wins so winner যদি human wins হয় we will print you win obviously it's a string yeah all right তারপরে alternatively winner যদি হয় computer wins তাহলে you will print you will print like loser I win right আচ্ছা similarly যদি tie হয় remember that there is one option tie দুজনে যদি একই জিনিস print করে tie well I don't think we have defined what will make a tie so we need to add a line for that if winner equals to tie then print it's a tie Oh, apparently you cannot do an apostrophe. Right. Okay. Okay. So এখানে আমাদের একটা লাইন অ্যাড করতে হবে because at this point the computer doesn't know tie কি করলে হবে. So basically tie is easy. If player move equal to computer move. Computer move, then winner equals to tie. So okay. What's up here? Oh, okay. All right. I have a feeling that, yeah, that way kind of I wrote player move with a lower case p, but pore I used higher case p. So let me just make sure everything's same. Okay, so I think this might work now. এখানে একটা
Someone pointed out an error. Print you winner পরে quote হবে.
Yeah, that is true. Does it go away now?
Control S though, save for it.
এখানে the problem is আমি একটা equation sign দিয়েছি. So equal to is a comparison. Equal to is just assigning a value, right? So that was the problem here. Okay, so I think there are no more errors. I don't see any. All right, so we can start. Also, new line করা কেমনে জানি? The backslash, right?
Backslash n.
Backslash n. Okay. All right, so it's saying it's printing welcome to rock paper scissor. It asks you to pick rock paper scissor, or I pick paper, which is 2. The computer has picked rock and I win. Okay, then you can run it again, and this time see, I still win. Well, this computer is pretty stupid. Yeah, so now you can see how the rand works. The 2 times computer lost, 1 time it is won. So yeah, so this is very simple. You can make it more complicated, I guess, but that's, I guess, something that you should try on your own if you can see how to manipulate.
Samia asked if she doesn't want to use numbers to refer to her choice. Can she use strings?
You can use strings. The computer is able to compare strings, but that will probably make the program a lot slower because string এ তো অনেকগুলো element থাকে. Like there are 5 letters, or দেখতে হবে 5টা letter ঠিক 5টা letter identical কিনা, uppercase, lowercase. Integer দিয়ে কাজ করা সবসময় better because it's the easiest thing that the computer can remember compared to float. Float takes more memory than tomar integer, and string takes way more memory than a float.
How to play what, Nature? She just showed you how to play it. Do you want to show that again?
Okay, so you should look at the console. আমি জানি না কনসোলটা বড় করা যায় কিনা। না, console বড় হচ্ছে না, but I hope you can see the console. Okay, maybe that will help. Okay. So if you can see this console, আমি কি করব, আমি run করব, and then it says welcome to rock paper scissors, pick rock paper scissors. আমি pick করলাম 1. Computer has picked paper, I picked rock, so I lose. The computer has won. Okay, and then redo. It's running the file. আবার বলছে pick rock paper scissors. I'm going to do 3. Computer has also picked scissor. It's a tie. Make sense? Okay, great. So that's all I had to show. I'm not going to go into stats, like I said. So let me take a few questions about the program, and then we'll move on to the next session. And I'm going to stop recording.